Yeah, students. So what is the picture that you are seeing here is regarding to the living root bridges. You might have heard about this living root bridges, students. So where these living root bridges are seen, so it is one of the most beautiful naturally produced man-made construction. Trees roots are naturally produced, and these tree roots were perfectly designed by the humans. Hence, it is an naturally produced man-made construction students. These living root bridges are mostly confined to Meghalaya region, especially in Meghalaya where we can see this. Meghalaya geographically it is not a plain region students. It consists of hills followed by valleys. The most famous hills that are present in Meghalaya are Khasi Hills and next one is Jaitya Hills. Khasi as well as Jaintia Hills. So in these regions, in these two regions, we can see this living root bridges ones. And especially in these areas, friends, geographically, as I told you that hills followed by valleys. In these valleys, there is a river systems will be there, streams will be there. And to move from one village to the other village, so we have to cross these streams and rivers, which is highly difficult. Hence, this living root bridge concept was developed by the ancestors of Meghalaya. No doubt that it is an human intelligence. This intelligence is continuing, perpetuating for many generations. They have a tradition, they have a culture of construction of these bridges and maintaining of these bridges for generations together. And from where these bridges are produced? Where these bridges are produced? So how they construct these bridges? So this is a plant, what we call it as a rubber plant, students. Scientific name of this rubber plant is Ficus elastica. And the roots of this Ficus elastica plant were perfectly combined, perfectly wind together, and it leads to the development of these structures. The technology of winding the roots, the technology of perfectly intertwining the roots is completely a local knowledge, students. That is a traditional knowledge. That too, these roots are elastic in nature. Basically, their elasticity is there. They can easily combine. These two characteristics has made these structures very easy and sustainable. Once this living root bridge has been formed, students, this bridge has a lifespan of over 500 years. And we can construct single decker bridges and double decker bridges. Double decker means so one is for entering into the village and another is for moving out of the village. And that too in Meghalaya region, students. You know that Meghalaya is the most wettest place in the world. Continuous rainfall will be there. Meghalaya is popularly known as Scotland of India, students. It is popularly known as Scotland of India because it is like Scotland, it is one of the major touristic place in India, students. So in this video you can see this how the roots of this Ficus elastica will be formed. These roots will grow up to 100 feet long, students, and this is what total area of Meghalaya. And these roots we intertwine it with each other, students. So this is a young bridge, newly formed one, and structure has not been built up properly over a period of time. So when the roots gets maturity, so bridge will become stabilized. So see how difficult the geographical structure is. They are of small root students, eventually leads to the bridge. Not only the Ficus elastica plant, along with the bamboos and Ficus elastica, they construct these natural bridges students. So for a perfect development of a bridge, it will take 40 to 50 years of 40 to 50 years students. See double decker bridge. So how perfectly it was designed, see this. So smooth bridge is there, smooth walkway is there. These traditional people, these local people will have this traditional knowledge. Okay, na? This they brought it from their ancestors ones. Okay, na? Yes, see this. They are continuing their profession students. They are perpetuating their profession. This is their part of their livelihood. It's their culture. It is their tradition. Every new generations has to know about this. Otherwise, they cannot survive in such a harsh environmental conditions. The area seems to be very beautiful, but atmospheric conditions are horrible. Extreme environmental conditions exist. In such conditions, these ancestral wisdoms, ancestral knowledge are making them to survive. Okay, students, that is what Meghalaya living root bridges. Recently, UNESCO has given World Heritage Site recognition. So I will do these videos like this, many videos students which are useful for your preparation. Please subscribe into my channel, Sri Deeksha IAS Academy. Thank you students. Thank you very much.